Hi, my name is Jomo Michael of Lomash Confectionery. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to make green velvet cake. I have my ingredients here, the measurements I will write down. So I have my eggs, my groundnut oil, sugar, granulated sugar, buttermilk. I have my flour, my cocoa powder. I also have my baking powder right here, vinegar, that's my green color, and then the flavor which I forgot to show you guys. So let's start. In a bowl I pour my flour, baking powder. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, cocoa powder. If you haven't, please subscribe. And then sugar. Then I'll start whisking them together to make sure they all are thoroughly combined. So make use of your whisk. It's really important so that it gets all of them together. Please, when doing that, be careful to avoid spilling your flour like I did. So just maybe for a minute or 30 seconds, do that please, so as to combine thoroughly. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. You can also tell me the next video you want me to record. Yeah, can we do that? Tell me in the comment section the next video you want me to record. So I added my groundnut oil, my buttermilk, and then gradually start turning. You don't need to do this in a rush. Just take your time so that it doesn't pour out from the bowl. And I'm adding my egg. Please don't break your egg like I'm doing. Break in a plate, transfer. Break in a plate, transfer, to avoid adding bad egg or eggshells dropping in. All right, so we get to the mixing part. If you have your mixer, yes, you can do this with mixer. Trust me, whether stand mixer or hand mixer, you can use it. So but the quantity I'm doing is really small, so there was no need to use hand mixer or stand mixer. Just use my whisk and I'm good to go. So yeah, I just added vanilla flavor, a dash of my green color. I use Acabado food color. Yes, it is safe for consumption. So I get to turning, 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 turning. So yeah, keep turning. And then I have my hot water. Please be careful. We don't want hot water on our hand. Alright, so I'll pour in the measurement required and then start turning. Please be careful, really careful here. Just take your time and keep turning. I know some people will be wondering, which one is blue velvet again, which one is green velvet again. I mean, there is white velvet and there is red velvet, so why can't we have a yellow velvet? Why can't we have a blue velvet or a green velvet? Why? All right, so once you are done mixing them, you add a drop of your vinegar. I'll still write down the measurement. So drop your vinegar. The vinegar helps to activate the rising agents. And also, if you feel the color you added earlier isn't enough, please add more. Add more. Add more. Whatever color you want to use, please do. Should we do a yellow velvet next? I mean, what velvet do you want us to do next? Let's just tell me. Let's do that. All right, so the next thing is to transfer to my pan. This quantity can make 2 size 8 pan. If you don't want it too full, like 3 inches high, 3 inches high, yeah, it can make that. You can also use it for your client's cake, make fun cakes, especially probably if you're making for your making for kids cake. When you are doing all those rainbow cakes, all those yellow, red, blah 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 cakes, you can add this. It's fun color, it's fun. So, and one good thing about the cake is it's not sugary. It's not sugary. So yeah. So tap to remove air bubbles. And chatter. Our cake is done. Look at that beauty. So review. Look at the texture is moist. This is not a sponge cake, obviously. So it's not a spongy cake, it's a moist, dense cake. If you know the texture of a right velvet cake, that's the texture it gives. So look at the inside, everything perfect, giving what it should give. So I can't wait to see you try this out. Please remember to tell me the next video you want me to record. Try out your own. You can show me. Yeah. And thank you for being here. Love, 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 love you all. Bye.